Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a mammal. They are large marsupial known for its powerful hind legs and iconic hopping movement. They are primarily found in Australia. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as kangaroo. 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 Kangaroos are known for their distinctive pouches where they carry their young. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about kangaroos, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.